For the first time, I have visited the Brahma Kumaris headquarters at Mount Abu, and I had stayed for 2 nights there, and 1 night I will be staying here. And the pranayams, the lectures, the concentration which we have been allowed to do there, they are really fantastic. And meditation part, I have never been undergone such meditation programs earlier, but this time I have seen it. I have enjoyed it. Main focus is that to link the Atma with Paramatma, and that concept I was not given earlier by anybody, and here after coming here I am getting all these things. How to, we are human being, human is the body, being is the power, the being is the Atma. These are the soul, that's the body and soul. It must relate with the Paramatma to become a perfect human being, and these things are taught very nicely in this 2 days convention during our day-to-day activities. How to release this stress, that has been also taught by the Brahma Kumaris. And besides, I also want to say that a particular concept they have given to us, that it is, as a politician, it is our duty to give to the people, not to take anything from the people, and that is very much wanted at this situation, because politics has become a part of huge corruption, you can say. And as a result, the brilliant people, the talented people, they do not want to come to join politics, because they have a feeling that this is a bad game. But I feel, because it is a democracy, we need the best talented people in the assembly, in the parliament, so that our country can progress first. And the people should be, they have a moral character, and for that the Brahma Kumaris, this attempt to bring the politicians to such conventions is really a very, very encouraging one, and I enjoyed thoroughly all the programs which were launched by the Brahma Kumaris in last 2 days in the headquarters. It's a divine feeling, you see. Whenever somebody comes to Brahma Kumaris headquarters, I think he or she will go back with some divine feeling, which we do not get in any other places. So it has some sort of a spiritual atmosphere, and that atmosphere you can feel it when you stay there, when you attend the lectures, and this is really wonderful. And I heard that this time the Brahma Kumaris has been given permission by the central government to perform yogas, Rajyogas, in the on 21st June, which was recognized as the International Yoga Day, and that is a tremendous thing done by the government of India. And I think yoga is not only a physical exercise, it is also the Rajyoga. Through Rajyoga, one will be able to know how we should link the Atma with the Paramatma to have better creativity, and that is most important. And I am very happy that this time the Brahma Kumaris will perform this Raj Yoga on the International Day of Yoga. And when I will go back to my home, I have also feeling that we must invite Brahma Kumaris to our assembly, so that all the MLAs, now today only I came, but all other 125 MLAs couldn't come to Mount Abu. But I think all the MLAs, the policy makers, if they can get some lessons to link the Atma with Paramatma, I think from them we can expect some good things in our state. And for that, I will try to talk with all my colleagues, my chief minister, leader of the opposition, so that we can have a conclave there among our MLAs in the presence of representative of Brahma Kumaris, to give us lessons on particularly on yoga and Raj Yoga, which they propagate very nicely all over the world.